Now, you didn't tell me your local names, your culture names.
So far we don't know, but we know our name. It's Edma Lutaya. That's my full name.
Yes, and you?
Edrich Lutaya.
Edrich Lutaya. Yeah, that is your name.
Yes.
You know your clan? Wakati tugenda tambula mungabachi, ngabaganda. Byonjagala muve wano. That is my job as your aunt. So, now you're going to say inze.
Inze.
Ngoyogerawo erinnya lyo. Nga yogerawo erinnya lyo.
Okay. Inze Edma Lutaya.
Inze Edrich Lutaya.
Neddira. Baba beddira kiba Lutaya. Bule. Ngonge. Neddira ngonge. Neddira ngonge.
Neddira ngonge.
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 Neddira.
Neddira.
Ngonge.
Ngonge.
Ndi musajja wa Kabaka.
Ndi musajja wa Kabaka.
Ndi musajja wa Kabaka.
Era njagala nnyo Buganda. Era njagala nnyo Buganda.
Njagala nnyo Buganda.
Ndi muzzukulu. Ya mizukulu wa Kisolo. Yeah. So gamba agunde gunde. Ayi Ssaabasajja Kabaka. Mwebale. Buli lunaku njagala mubikole ki?
To practice.
Mubyogere. Gamba bunaku tugenda byogeranga.
Munaku tuya man, we will learn, guys.
Yeah, they will learn. And if you're with me, you're going to learn more. Ate kati gokola bubi go butayigiriza abaana lulimi lwabwe. He's trying.
Yes, with me at least, but this one.
You were saying me is the problem.
Yes, there is. You can't even say how. Can I please have water? Yeah.
Mubala, you're going to say the mubala of ngonge. Bazzukulu ba Kisole balina omuki. Bwegali ba mafumu. Yeah. Gamba bwegali ba mafumu.
Bwegali ba mafumu.
Yeah. Gamba yeah.
Yeah.
Tuligenda ne binnakiwala byaddalu.
Tigenda na binnakiwala
byaddalu. Gwe yogera. Tuligenda ne binnakiwala. Yeah, omwana akubye rap. Akaya tuligenda ne you've made my day, but you should learn Uganda.
We will,
okay?
we will.
Yeah, please practice, and you practice. He's practicing and he's getting better. You should practice also and get better, okay?
When we come next time, we will know it.
Yeah, you tell daddy to tell you, omubala gwammwe, omuziro, nechi, n'omulimu gwammwe, omukola mu Buganda. Ngabe ngonge. Yes. Olwaleero ino interview ndalamu. I'm going to first speak Luganda, then introduction. These people who watch this interview, they don't understand English very well. So I have to first introduce you in Luganda. Then after, we speak English. Yes? And banana follows. So, tuli wano ku culture village, ndina abaana abasangoma. You are sangomas?
No, we are normal. We're actually Abaganda. Yes.
Sangomas, what is the meaning of sangoma?
It's someone
the witch
doctor.
Yes, witch doctor. Something with witches.
With witches in South Africa.
In South Africa.
You're not sangomas.
Yes.
You are my children.
Thank you.
So, tuli ku National Theatre wano mu culture village. Nina abaana bano bayimbi. Bagenda kwa batubuuzaako bava South Africa bazeeke Uganda yewaabwe. Baana baawano nzaalwa zaawano. Ono amanyi Oluganda. Ono tamanyiimu yadde. Naye awulira temutawante tujja kugeya leero. awulira batumikana backbite him with you.
Yes.
So Ramen Hair Sport, impesi mi yange eyo nina obulango. Let me first do the advertisement of my bosses.
Right.
Then the phone. There are ads on the phone. Ramen Hair Sport basangibwa wo Kabowa ku kizimbe kya St. Anne. Kizimbe kya St. Anne wogenda bakusala akaviiri bakole ne massage ku mutwalo go ne ka wifi we kali awo wennyini. So njagala okubategeeza nti gwe ali eyo ng'oli Dubai oba ng'oli wano Uganda nga wandyagadde okubeera ng'ate ofuna visa osobola okugenda ate here pick on time tourism. It's your time to travel. Bakola visas ez'emyezi ebiri ne visa ez'omwezi ogumu. So genda wo igwali e Uganda osobola okugenda ku Plaza level 4 R21 ye room 21 Kampala Uganda offices. Ate gwe ali Dubai osobola okugenda ku New Dera Park opposite California Hotel, that is Dubai UAE. Ogende bakuwe visa mu bwangu ddala. Osobola okubakubira ku namba ya simu noti 7 noti 2 275 34 oba mwabali e Dubai +971 5893 41986. Baba yise pick on time tourism. Kakati mmwe abali eyo ng'olina omulwadde olina maama wa akaddiye toyagala mulekera bakozi muggunda osobola okubeera ng'ate ofuna ba bedsiders. Nina wano kakwano kange katandise bedsiding kakola bulungi nnyo nakalabyeko. Maama omulekera omuntu gw'oneesiga bamuyita Mama Jet osobola okumunoonyako ku noti 7 noti 2 316 35. Nja kuddamu bayiseemukko awo maaso. Let me talk to Edrich and Edmark. Yeah, we don't have time. So first greet these people who are watching us, then we exceed.
Jebaleko Jebaleko Sebo Nabanyabo. Edma Lutaya.
Edrich Lutaya.
And we are the E Icons. And we are all the way from South Africa, but Uganda is our home, our birthplace. Yes.
Yeah, they are the
E Icons.
Icons. They are my children. Yeah. So you tell your dad when you go back to South Africa that we met our aunt. Our aunt is in Uganda, but you left her. She's there doing the second, just talking. Please give us some money. You get
We'll
it?
tell her.
Yeah. You said your Edmark.
Edma.
Edma.
Yes.
Edma. Just like that.
Edma. Just like that.
Eddie?
Edrich.
Edrich. And your dad is called?
Edwin.
Edwin. So why are you here in Uganda?
We are here because we're here to pursue our music career here more this side. Because we wanted to start at home first before we go, adventuring off to other places. Want to start right here home, get our people here, and pursue music here.
Why not in South Africa? They don't support?
South Africans, they are hard. It's
They
hard
have
to get
no go.
hard to get into their markets.
So since you're Africans, that you are Ugandans, they don't see that you can sing.
They see, but it's hard. It's more hard to get there.
To penetrate.
Yeah, penetrate. Yeah.
Your singer is fabulous in English. Your managers are busy enjoying the food, and you, the bosses, are here working. Abanaku, Abanaku Varia, and the rich are here working. So in South Africa, it's very hard. You decided to come back in Uganda.
And it's just, this is home first.
This is home, and we are going to support you because you are our own.
Yes.
We decided to support our own. Bubu, buy Uganda, build Uganda. So far, how many songs do you have?
So far out, we have five songs out.
You have 5 songs,
And a new upcoming song this week that should be dropping on Friday. Yes.
So you're recording from Uganda and South Africa?
Uganda.
You come and record from here?
Yes.
Why?
Because
South Africa, they don't have good studios.
they do. It's just that we need the sound from here, and most South Africans don't know how to incorporate the Ugandan sound. So it's better to produce from here.
So you all speak Luganda very well.
Except for this one.
Why don't you know Luganda?
I only know like a few words.
You don't speak Luganda at home with your dad and mom?
They do speak Uganda, but
with themselves.
Oh, not you with you, eh? But you tell them that you need to learn Luganda because you're now always here.
Yes.
We are not easy also Ugandans. When we know you don't understand Luganda very well, we can steal you. We can steal you. So you're still students?
Yes, we are.
Oh, which class?
I think here it's senior 4, but in South Africa it's grade 10.
Grade 10?
Yes.
Senior 4. Grade 10. They don't do senior?
No, they don't do senior. It's grades.
You're in international schools?
Yes.
Because your dad has schools there?
Yes.
So you are planned kids? Yeah. You are planned? You're grade 10 and you're in grade
8.
You're in grade 8.
Yeah.
That is senior 2?
Yeah, senior 1, 2. Yeah, around.
Here.
Yeah.
So you're in grade 10.
Yes.
So you're sitting this year? You're a candidate?
Yes.
Oh, the other side?
That side, yes.
Do you also get success cards that side?
We get matric certificates.
Matric certificates?
Yes.
Those are the gifts your parents give you?
It's from the school.
No.
Oh, that side they don't give you gifts.
They don't? When you're going to sit, like, wishing you good exams?
No gifts. No gifts. You just go there and you write your tests.
What about your parents? They don't give also?
They do, but not a lot. But yeah, they do. Yeah.
Here we give flowers with money.
With money, okay.
Yeah.
Now what?
And even the success cards, we go and make them and we say, wishing you good exams. May Allah bless you. So you don't get them?
No, we don't. That's in South Africa.
And you do promo? Proms?
Oh yes, we do. But we call it metric dance. Metric dance.
How is it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
But you also put on your...
Yes, our fancy jackets come in your nice cars or helicopters if you want. Yes, and then you go and you dance, you show off.
Oh, so you also be with the prom date, yeah?
Yes.
You also come with aeroplanes? Helicopter?
Yes.
Here we get a helicopter, but it is worse. We abused the boy. That you are doing yourself. You're not doing yourself. You are doing yourself with your parents. See, we quarreled. So it is not new in South Africa. Everyone can do it.
Yes.
Those ones in international schools, not everyone. Don't say it. You also have street kids there.
Yes.
Yeah? So how did you start your music career?
It started with our father because he used to be New Chapter and we got the inspiration from him. Yeah.
Your father is no longer singing, why?
He's like, I'm too old for this. Let me because he saw the passion in us and what we wanted to do. So he's like, let me just leave the boys to do it because I'm too old. Because
you also show him that you need it, yeah?
Yes.
When did you start singing?
We started singing when we were very young. I started when I think I was 7, 6, singing, going to studio, you know. But him, since he's 2 years younger than me, I think like around about 4 or 5 there.
You started recording yourselves?
No, Nessim from here. He recorded.
No, like recording using your phones, posting, and then he says, you can do it,
yes.
you can do it. Do you do even practice?
Yes, we do.
With him, eh?
Yes.
With his help. And Mommy is also a singer?
No.
Our
mom.
Why are you laughing?
She can sing for us, but not for the people. Yes.
Mommy is going to see this interview. When you say she can sing for you, but she cannot sing for the people outside. And the young boy is also a singer?
He's more of a footballer.
Oh, he's more a footballer. Yeah. Okay, so why are you putting on similar clothes? Are you twins?
No, we're not twins. We're brothers.
You are blazzers.
We are brothers.
You are blazzers?
Yes.
With promoting your brand?
Yes.
But you're smart.
Thank you.
So all these girls are from South Africa?
Yes.
I see the plants. You go to those malls and get your clothes, eh?
Yes.
Or do you also have streets there?
Yeah, we do.
You have streets.
Yes.
Don't you have China? Shops?
Yes, we do.
Yeah,
China shops. Yes,
But you don't go there.
we do sometimes.
Sometimes if you need something.
Yes.
Are they also fake like ours here?
They are fake.
Everywhere you can find something fake.
Mm.
Anywhere you go, I feel like you find something that's fake.
So you have a car?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because I'm still young. I'm 16.
Ah,
Yeah,
they don't give you cars.
Mm-mm.
But your dad has money.
Eh,
You said you're still young.
Yes, I'm still young.
So you're still using their cars. But you know how to drive.
Yes.
And you?
I can drive around the neighborhood, but it's on the road.
You fear traffic.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, you don't have a driving permit. That is what I know. But do you have?
No, I don't.
You're still young.
Yes.
At what age do they offer the driving permit in South Africa?
Learners is 17 and driving permit is 18 years old.
Yeah, now I can see. Your dad is still a Ugandan parent.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why you don't have the cars. He doesn't want you to get spoiled. So you have phones.
Yes, we do.
He allows you to be with phones.
Yes.
You guys don't disturb you on phones.
It doesn't. We still stay productive. Yes.
That is good. Because you know here in Uganda we beat.
I know.
They beat you also.
Yes.
Where?
Here.
On the bums.
Yes.
The father.
Yes.
And at school?
At school, no.
No.
Don't
Yeah, international school.
beat.
Yeah, so someone told me that your dad is a blazer to the late Semwanga.
Yes, he is.
That is where the money comes from.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, that is where the money comes from. The whole family, the whole of, even the siblings, the nephews, the cousin, they have money. Yeah? So you go and visit Auntie Zari.
Yes,
Sometimes.
sometimes yes.
So I've never seen you on social media. You always
you
post.
see us, yes.
Now I'm going to start following you now.
Thank you.
So can you give me a cappella of something that you're going to do? I'm told you're going to comedy store.
Yes.
You're going to perform.
Yes.
Is it your first performance?
No, it's not.
You've been performing?
Yes.
Where?
We've been performing at High School Chiromo. We've performed at Bastings. We just made an appearance. But mostly school touring. That's where we mainly perform. Yes.
Now this is your first performance
Here.
in Uganda.
No, it's not.
You have already performed?
Yes.
When?
A few years back.
A few years back.
Yeah.
Too.
You've been here
Yes.
before?
Yes.
Oh, where did you perform?
We performed at
Comedy
Comedy
Store.
Store. I don't know which other.
Brian's.
Oh yes, Brian's is us first. Yes, we've been there. Yeah. So we come here regularly.
Okay.
Yes.
So are your songs in English, Luganda?
We are releasing one that's in Luganda.
First
this
give me
Friday.
the cappella of Luganda.
Okay. Abantu bensanze banjaulo banjaulo. Yes. Abantu bensanze banjaulo. Yeah, banjaulo. Yeah. That's it.
Oh, my part. Kati situkamuze na muhunange byakusense kugambye yadelandi lora kusanze ebencha byancha.
Yeah, Luganda. So other songs are in English?
Yes.
There is some cappella in English. I want to hear
Okay.
the English.
When you're ready, come and get me. Come and put me out of my misery. When you're ready, don't forget me. Don't fall in love if it isn't me.
Oh, yeah. Running and running, I know you calling me. I only wanted you to be proud of me. I know I don't give you apologies, but the ego makes it hard to say I'm sorry, please. Yeah, don't run away from me, don't live away from me. I promise I will be the only guy you see. It'll take time to see why. I promise to you, I'll be the right guy. Yeah.
Yeah. And I promise you I'll be the right auntie. Yeah.
Yes.
You know, here in Uganda, it is a fun day. So I have eats here. Should I give you some eats?
Okay, I'll try one.
Please try, because in Uganda, if you don't eat anytime, you might suffer.
Okay.
Now these ones are very expensive, by the way.
Okay.
You when you see them in this Bipapula, I've beaten someone to second. These ones are called plantains. You know them? Yeah.
And the bananas.
Yeah. Gonja.
Gonja.
Gonja kabalagala gonja.
Okay.
You know the song?
He doesn't know.
Do you hear it? No.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now I want to take you even eating puta. Do you know puta? Tilapia. You know tilapia?
I don't know that.
So this is the culture village.
Okay.
Have you ever come here?
No, this is our first time.
This is National Theatre. This is the culture village.
Okay.
You can get unique things from here. So here, we come here and do interviews from here. They give us those arts.
Okay.
We advertise for them.
Okay.
But they don't pay us.
That's bad.
They do us to second.
Luseke. Yeah, this you and you, this Luseke.
You don't know Luseke?
I know now.
What is Luseke?
You said it's when they get a straw and then they suck from your pockets.
Good boy. Yeah. Did you get to know Luseke?
Yes.
Will you explain it to Daddy?
Yes, I will. I will.
Very well.
Very
And
well.
Daddy should be a good participant. Okay?
Yes.
So now, when are you inviting me to South Africa?
When do you want to come?
Anytime from now.
Anytime from now. Then next week you must come to South Africa.
Next week.
You're joking. Who's going to pick me at the airport?
Us
Us
will be
will
the
come.
first one there.
Now, what they told me about South Africans, you tell someone that you're going to pick someone from the airport, someone gets stranded.
No ways.
I have a friend called Kasuku. He's a man, but he backbites. You know backbiting?
Yes.
Now he went to South Africa. Someone promised him that he's going to pick him from the airport. They didn't pick him.
Maybe he was busy.
No, they were not busy. Some people in South Africa are not rich. They live here and you'll be stranded.
But us will be there.
You will be there?
Yes.
So you're serious, I come.
Yes, you must
But
come.
when are you leaving Uganda?
We're still here for a while. I'm not sure when, but we're still here.
You're still here for a while and you're telling me to come next week. Who is going to welcome me in South Africa?
We have people there.
I want you with your father.
With our father. Okay. I know him, he'll be there.
I want you when you go back. You invite me.
Okay.
I come. I visit South Africa. I see your school,
Alright.
your friends. I see what you're doing.
Okay.
So apart when you're not at school, what do you do?
When we're not at school, it's mainly we're producing. Me, I'm trying to go into more a producing side, so I go into sound engineering and all that. So that's also, and then if there's any homework, we do, still focusing on school and all that. Yeah.
So they told me that kids in South Africa, they work.
Some kids, yes.
Some kids work.
I feel it's still the same here, like how it is in Uganda.
In Uganda?
Yes.
In Uganda, it's hard. The situation is a bit hard.
True.
A bit hard. So, you're going to spend here like a month?
We've been here.
Yeah, for a month so far.
So far?
Yes.
Where do you stay? In hotels?
No, we stay in an apartment here.
In apartment? With who?
With our mom and dad.
Mom and dad are around also?
Yes.
They're also in Kampala?
Yes.
They came with you?
Yes.
And you didn't tell me that?
Yes, we thought you knew.
Don't joke. Don't joke. Don't joke, please.
Okay.
Because I need to see your dad. Like, seriously.
Okay.
Yes. How can you keep quiet with such a vital issue? Because I was telling you about the other. What?
Lusaka.
Luseke.
Luseke.
No, what are you going to... Yes. Now you're going to tell the daddy Lusaka and he will not understand.
Okay.
So you came with daddy and Mom. Where did you leave them today?
They want to go do their own things.
Oh, you're all here. You're still enjoying the holiday. Yes. You're in holiday?
Yes.
Oh, so we are not in holiday here.
Really?
Yeah. That's school. You didn't see students
we
here?
did. Oh, but some schools are on holiday.
International, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, you know we don't know the curriculum of international. we are on the other one.
The other one.
The what? Gwe manager ko kanzijukize. Abaana bantutte bannange. Yeah, we are on the down people. Yeah. We focus on the down people. Yeah, they're at school. The sunshine is sunshining.
But you see here they're taking them to the theater.
Now this is touring. Now it is time for touring. Now they bring them here. Even they go and visit UBC. So where do you go for tours?
Tours we go to high school, Chiromo. Mostly all the schools here, we go into the local schools when we perform there for them.
No, I'm asking. When you're at school, like when they say that you're now going for a tour, like these ones, they pay for money.
Yes. As we do camps, we go, let's say maybe to a nice water park or something.
Or for educational trips, they can like say Cape Town or go to Durban around South Africa.
Or even into another country. Even there's like ones for Portugal, Japan.
You went to Portugal?
Not me.
You were supposed to go to London, but
Why? Why didn't you go to London?
The trip got cancelled that side for the London.
So far, how many countries have you gone?
I think we've stayed in Africa a lot. It's only here and South Africa, and then overseas is Dubai. Oh yes, also Mozambique.
You went even to Mozambique?
Yes.
You went even to Dubai?
Yes.
You went to Dubai to do what?
to perform.
Hey, you went and performed in Dubai?
Yes.
Even in Mozambique, you went to perform?
No.
Mozambique was a vacation.
Yes.
You went for vacation?
Yeah.
You're enjoying life, you people. You know, you're eating daddy's money. You eat it. Daddy will understand. Please eat it alone, but please don't eat it alone. Always think of your
people, your elders.
And don't think of the people.
Okay.
They are of no use. Think of your aunt.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Whatever you're doing, you think of.
And
So you have a manager?
yes.
He's your manager?
It's mainly our family. He's my uncle.
He's your uncle. Yeah, I see him resembling the late.
Yes.
Oh, but he has been eating and you're not eating.
True.
Yeah, that's how life is. Yeah, people can take care of themselves. They don't mind about the kids.
Yes, imagine.
Yeah, but he's got something there though for us.
But
What is that?
he was eating a full plate.
Yeah, full plate. But he has bought for you sodas. Those sodas are 1,000. And I can also buy for you those sodas. Yeah, but he's your manager here.
Yes.
And in
South Africa, it's still home, keeping with the family. Our dad also manages us. Our mom also manages us.
has he taken you out?
Yes.
Where?
To Water World. There by
Aqua Park.
Yes. Man, you see these things are the same here.
I know it, but Aqua Park. He took you to Aqua Park.
Yes.
Do you still feel the Aqua Park?
Yes.
Why did he take you to Aqua Park?
To have fun. And also to cool off. Because
Yeah.
Uganda is hot.
Yeah, Uganda is hot and it is hot everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes. Even the pocket, it is hot. You will see that it is hot. You've spent here a month.
Yes.
Did you do a media tour?
No, not yet. We're doing it now, so.
Yeah, doing it now, I know. But those people, the media, I pray they behave.
I also pray they behave.
They behave.
Guys, please behave.
Behave. Please behave when you see these kids. Behave. Don't ask for money.
True.
Behave. But ask for it. These are from South Africa. You give it out when they ask, yeah?
Yes.
Because here it is hot, as you see. It is hot. So did they take you to places like KFC to eat KFC?
Yes.
Is it in South Africa also?
Yes.
So it is not new, eh?
Yeah, it's not.
Because I was telling you here we have KFC. We have Javas. You don't have Javas.
Yeah,
We don't have jobs.
But it is, this one is from Javas.
Oh, really?
Yes, when you go there, you ask for it.
Okay.
Yeah, it plantains.
Plantains. Isn't it konja?
Gonja. Yeah, you when are you learning Luganda?
I'll learn it. I'll learn it now.
You help him. Try helping.
I try to help him, but this one,
he's big-headed, eh? You're not interested in Luganda?
I am. It's just Luganda's hard.
Now, you didn't tell me your local names, your culture names.
So far we don't know, but we know our name. It's Edma Lutaya. That's my full name.
Yes, and you?
Edrich Lutaya.
Edrich Lutaya. Yeah, that is your name.
Yes.
You know your clan? Wakati tugenda tambula mungabachi, ngabaganda. Byonjagala muve wano. That is my job as your aunt. So, now you're going to say inze.
Inze.
Ngoyogerawo erinnya lyo. Ngayogerawo erinnya lyo.
Okay. Inze Edma Lutaya.
Inze Edrich Lutaya.
Neddira.
Neddira.
Baba beddira kiba Lutaya. Bule. Ngonge. Neddira ngonge. Neddira ngonge.
Neddira ngonge.
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 Neddira.
Neddira.
Ngonge.
Ngonge.
Ndi musajja wa Kabaka.
Ndi musajja wa Kabaka.
Ndi musajja wa Kabaka.
Era njagala nnyo Buganda. Era.
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 Njagala nnyo Buganda.
Njagala nnyo Buganda.
Ndi.
Ndi.
Muzzukulu.
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 Ya mizzukulu. Wa Kisolo.
Wa Kisolo.
Yeah. So gamba agunde gunde.
Agunde gunde.
Ayisa abasajja Kabaka.
Ayisa abasajja Kabaka.
Mwebale. Buli lunaku njagala mubikole ki?
To practice.
Mubyogere. Gamba bunaku tugenda byogeranga.
Munaku ya man, we will learn, guys. We will
learn. They will learn. And if you're with me, you're going to learn more. Ate kati gokola bubi go butayigiriza abaana lulimi lwabwe. He's trying.
Yes, with me at least, but this one.
You were saying me is the problem.
Yes, there is. You can't even say how. Can I please have water? Yeah.
Mubala, you're going to say the Mubala of Ngonge. Bazukulu ba Kisole balina omuki. Bwegali ba mafumu. Yeah. Gamba bwegali ba mafumu.
Bwegali mafumu.
Bwegali ba mafumu.
Bwegali ba mafumu.
Bwegali ba mafumu.
Yeah. Gamba yeah.
Yeah.
Tuligenda ne binnakiwala byaddalu.
Tigenda na binnakiwala
byaddalu.
Byaddalu.
Gwe yogera. Tuligenda ne binnakiwala.
Tubigele
yeah. Omwana akubyewo rap. Agaye tuligenda ne you've made my day, but you should learn Uganda.
We will.
Okay?
We will.
Yeah, please practice, and you practice. He's practicing and he's getting better. You should practice also and get better, okay?
When we come next time, we will know it.
Yeah, you tell Daddy to tell you, omubala gwammwe, omuziro, nechi, n'omulimu gwammwe, omukola mu Buganda. Ngabe ngonge. Yes. So, this is Edma.
Yes.
Edrich.
Yes.
Your names are too English, eh? So they are disturbing me also. You know me, I'm local. Yeah, I'm local here. So please support these boys. They are our own. They are from South Africa, but they love their country. Yeah, so they are here for business. They are here because it's their motherland.
True.
Yeah, so please support them. Please tell people your YouTube channels, where to find your songs, and how to support you.
To find us on Instagram, TikTok, and all social media, it's eIcons Official. You can find our music on Spotify, Apple Music, every streaming service. Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Some small words to Ugandans, and yes, greetings to mommy and daddy and your young sibling.
Yes.
Me?
Yes, you're our guest speaker.
Okay.
Who said?
Okay. I just want to thank all of you guys. Ever since we got here, it's all been about love. You guys have showed us so much support, so much love, and we can't appreciate you enough. We love you guys so much. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy. Eden, we love you. We love you too.
And you're forgetting the most important, auntie.
Yeah, auntie.
Yes.
I want you, all of you, to say, tweyanziza nnyo auntie.
Tweyanziza nnyo auntie.
Oli waddala tosangika.
Oli waddala tosangika.
Teri akuvuganya.
Teri akuvuganya.
Togambwako.
Togambwako.
Yeah.
Akuyingira muyingira. You say, akuyingira tujja muyingira.
Akuyingira tujja muyingira.
Kati awo muba mugambye. Gamba akuyingira tujja muyingira va mu yeah. I'm your aunt, okay? That is buyaye when you're talking to auntie. You say akuyingira tujja muyingira.
Akuyingira.
Okubyewora up. But that means that now we have kutta mukago.
What's that?
That is it. I also don't know. Now, to because I don't know it in English, you also don't know it in Uganda. So what you've said is that you're going to be welcoming me in South Africa.
Yes. We will.
Yeah, that is it. Your daddy will see it and know that I was trying to pave the way. Yeah. So it has been hosting you here. Yes. It has been good hosting you here.
Thank you.
You've done something bad to me. The whole interview is English. Yeah. Yeah, but why are you apologizing today?
Because you said you're not English a lot. You don't.
Yeah, so you are apologizing, showing them that it has been hard for me. Eh?
Yes.
You know that in Uganda, it is Kwisa Msenga Omas. You've passed eyes in me. Say sorry, Senga.
Sorry.
Senga.
Senga. Sorry,
okay. Katubasibulira awo ate tubeere nga tukolako ku mirimu emirala olwaleero. Yes, all those are your uncles. Those are all media people.
Yes.
That is the media tour you're going to do.
Okay.
Yes, those are all media people. Yes.
Okay.
So you should greet them after here, talk with them, and make a rapport.
Yes.
Yeah, it is good making rapports with media people.
Okay.
Yes, so that they can help us with our songs. Okay. So please go and subscribe to their channel. Go and follow them on Instagram. Are you on TikTok?
Yes.
Yeah. They're also on TikTok. Do you give people to do challenges?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, you can do challenges for theirs. Which song is there from?
Abantu bensanze.
Abantu bensanze.
Yes.
Baba Dichi.
Banjawulo.
Baba Dichi.
Huh?
Abantu bosanze.
Abantu bensanze.
You must say banjawulo.
Oh, abantu bensanze banjawulo.
Okay. Kale, musibe bulungi, mweraba.